If you're in need of a high-quality sensor replacement for your vehicle, this vehicle-specific sensor is exactly what you need. Designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, this part is engineered to provide seamless integration with your car's system, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Whether you're replacing a worn-out sensor or upgrading your vehicle's components, this sensor is a perfect fit for your specific model. The sensor comes packaged in dimensions of 5.75 l×1, 88 h×2, 19 w inches, with a package weight of just 0.25 pounds, making it easy to install and handle. Manufactured in China, this part has undergone strict quality control to ensure it meets the necessary standards for function and durability. The fit is vehicle-specific, which means you get the exact part you need to restore your vehicle's performance. A customer review highlighted their satisfaction with the product, noting that it was the exact model they had been searching for. The part arrived earlier than expected, and the installation went smoothly. Initially, they were concerned about the connector being different from the sample picture, but after installing it in their 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan with a 3.3L engine, they found that it fit perfectly. After installation, there were no error codes, and the sensor worked properly, restoring full functionality to the vehicle. This sensor is an excellent replacement option for anyone needing a reliable and easy-to-install part. If you're looking for a dependable replacement sensor to get your vehicle back in top shape, this product is your solution. Click the link in the description to purchase it today and enjoy hassle-free performance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and automotive tips.